Welcome back. Well, I have Ann Gunther and Jerry Getson here, Happy Heart the Clown, and the co-president of Laguna Woods Senior Clown Alley, and they're already cracking me up with all their stuff here. Welcome, ladies.
Thank
Happy
you.
Heart, heart to heart.
Yes,
right? Very
exactly.
cute. All right, Ann, so tell me.
I'm Princess Pipsqueak on the show.
That's right.
Yeah, you can call me Pipsqueak.
Next time I want you ladies to wear your stuff.
Okay.
Okay, so what do you want to talk about first, the college, or do you want to talk about your event?
The reason we're here is to talk about Clown College.
Okay, all right, so let's
Yep.
talk about Clown College first, and then we'll talk about some of the stuff that you brought with us.
Okay, shall we give the dates?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, it starts on, oh, I can write down when it starts.
It starts on Tuesday, January 29th.
Which is coming up very shortly.
Right.
And it ends on April 16th.
But the graduation is on the 13th in Clubhouse 6.
Okay, so what do you do in Clown College?
Okay, can I read a little poem first?
Oh, sure.
Okay.
She's our poet laureate.
It's a ditty I just wrote today because I think it's important to think about being a clown.
Okay.
Please think of joining Clown College, we ask. It's a way to spread joy and it's never a task. A lighthearted way to have fun is to clown. You'll find it's a pleasure for you and for folks all around. Just save Tuesdays 2 to 4 and be at Clubhouse 2 and you'll find yourself being the jolliest you.
Oh, that's cute. Wow,
Really?
you just pulled that off, huh?
Right.
She writes real big, long, elaborate ones. I wanted to give, now, if you're interested, you have any questions, you can call Okie Dokie. And her phone number is 466-4228.
Okay.
466-4228. And Okie Dokie will answer all of your questions and more.
She's our Clown College Dean.
Okay,
She'll
so
be teaching it, and she's wonderful, very experienced.
Okay.
And
so we'll definitely talk about the dates at the end of our interview. But why don't you tell me what Clown College is all about? I mean, what is? I don't really know because I've never interviewed you guys before.
Oh.
So tell me what it's about.
Learning to be a clown, learning, well, first you have to pick a name. That's not the first thing, but we have to pick our name so that we can call each other by our name.
How does that work? Like, do you pick a name,
No,
or
you
do they
pick
have
your-
a collective
well,
group?
People can help you if you need help.
well, I just happen to think, why be a clown? And I think it's to bring everybody the happiest heart they have. So I have to be a happy heart myself.
Okay.
And as soon as I chose this name and I got a happy heart outfit with hearts all over it and a flimsy hat and whatever, I started feeling like an ambassador of goodwill and happiness wherever I go. And I walk down the street, even if I'm not in clown, I say good morning, and it just gives you a lighter feeling of the right to own joy.
Oh, that's a
wonderful
nice way to
feeling.
put it. How about
She
you?
is.
How'd you come up with your name?
Well, I had some help input from people, and somebody said Pipsqueak, and that seemed to fit. And then, but I really am a princess.
Oh wait,
I'm
Princess
a princess.
Pipsqueak.
Yes, so I had
can
to
combine
be
the
a
two, right?
princess first.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But
She's
now,
adorable.
how many? 19 years later,
Oh my
because I went to
gosh.
clown school in 2000.
Okay.
We've gotten it down to Pipsqueak.
Okay.
Or Pip.
Or Pip,
Or Pip, or
Pepperay.
Pete.
or Pipster. That's how I got my name.
So when you guys all get together, what do you do?
We have a meeting the second Wednesday of every month from 10 to 2. 10 to 12, and then we go out to lunch for whomever's interested.
Okay.
And we try to have a program after each part of the business meeting where you learn better how each faction of being a clown works. So there are meetings on how to dress, and you'll buy or make shoes that are funny. I mean,
Those are
who
great
would
shoes.
usually...
Aren't those wonderful?
But you put on pom-poms and
Sure.
toys and sparkles and
Okay.
whatever. And how to make things out of silly nothings. Now, this is a pot holder. We made a puppet out of it.
Oh, isn't that cute? What a good idea.
This is Rosie.
Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh.
And
Kazoos. We decorate our kazoos.
Okay.
yeah, we also have face painting lessons and also improv. Roxanne Kine from the Saddleback Emeritus program will be coming to show us how to move and to be more impressive and expressive.
Okay.
But clown school, let's get back to clown school because she's not.
Okay.
Is she teaching a class? Maybe they could get her to teach a class. Anyway, we start off with our name, and then we have to pick our nose.
Pick out. Oh,
Yeah.
well, don't pick your nose.
Yeah.
I know. We talked about the red dot, which
Yeah.
you said you don't do. You put sparkles.
we-
you can,
we
put, you
ask
can
people
use
to
that
pick
one.
their nose
Right? Yeah,
in
yeah, yeah.
public.
There's all kinds of noses.
So right. So you could use any kind of nose.
Yes, and then we decide whether we're going, what kind, we learn to do makeup, and we have either the white face, which is, we don't have many white face clowns, and we have the Auguste. And the Auguste is the silly clown.
Okay.
And that's
what I prefer to be. Since 1986, Stephen King, who I'm not very pleased with these days, introduced a scary clown. And that fear has been growing all over the world. There are places where they've injured clowns. But anyway, we are elderly, sweet, gentle people who just want to do a community service of lifting people's spirits.
Exactly.
And come and join us because it's wonderful.
Now
Here's
look
a
at how
picture.
cute you guys all look there.
Yeah, that's
adorable.
oh, that's Christmas. Yes,
Yeah, we go for the
a couple of years ago.
special needs people. They love to dance with us. We take pictures with them. One of the things you learn as a clown is this is a pump.
balloon.
You blow up balloons. You know how to make dogs and dinosaurs and
Is that part of the class? Is that you guys
yes,
have?
the
That's
class,
great.
yes.
Okay.
how to do walkabout fun things and puppets. Now this happens to be, it's called the butterfly, but what I say is, it wasn't aimed right. There's no butter on it. It's a flutterfly.
A flutterfly.
So we
That's
have
cute.
fun with puppets. We march in parades.
Okay.
We do birthday parties. We hostess at the aqueducts. But the best part is we're good friends. It's more like a family than
Right.
anything. And it's the dearest, sweetest, nicest, kindest, fun people. And we laugh. We have so much fun. Sometimes we're asked to bring something into the meeting that is unusual looking, and you put it in the middle of the floor, and people have to say what else it could be used for rather than, or they don't even know what it is.
Right.
And we laugh. It's so much fun. So
How
come
many-
join
Back to
us.
Clown College.
Okay.
So let's get back to what?
Okay.
How many? Well, first of all, how many people do you have in your clown
45?
group now?
45.
45
And
right
they
now.
range
Is there a
in age.
maximum of how many
Oh,
you want,
no,
or does
the
is
more
there
the
any you want?
merrier.
No,
But
okay.
we range in
It
age from
fluctuates.
55 to 97.
Wow. Okay.
And they still get dressed and they still participate, tell
That's
jokes,
great.
sing. We go to the senior centers and we make them sing with us and we march in with our ukuleles
Okay.
and just try to bring an uplifting experience.
Okay.
But
Perfect.
what they learn, I mean, I interrupt and say, what they learn in clown school, they need to go through clown school before they can actually
right.
go out and do those fun
right.
things
12 weeks.
with
So
people.
it's now. What if they miss a week? Can
That's
they make it
okay.
up somewhere?
They can make it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So
they
let's
get
talk
a
about it.
booklet and they get a different lesson each week, and we
Okay.
bring in. We even have some old costumes that they can help try to put together, or they
Okay.
can create their own.
Okay.
Actually, that's a good point. We have a costume closet where people who clowned and then they've stopped clowning donate their costumes.
Oh,
so
perfect.
people will not have the responsibility of just coming up and spending the money on a clown costume. We probably have something in the clown closet that they'll be able to incorporate into who they want to be at
Right.
the
Okay.
time.
Okay.
In
And-
the meantime, the dollar store has become our best friend. We go down
yeah.
there and find the most adorable things to play with and introduce to make people
Perfect.
have different funds than they expected
That's
they
great.
would.
That's good. So let's reiterate the dates again. It starts on Tuesday, January 29th, and it ends April 16th, and it's from 2 to 4, and that's weekly on Tuesdays.
Yes, in
Right.
Clubhouse too.
In
in
Clubhouse,
Los
too.
Olivos room.
In the Los Olivos room. Okay.
And there's a hotline too that you can call.
Right. Let's read that one more time. Was that on the back?
It's right there.
No, it was on the bottom. The
Yeah,
that.
right, nine.
Oh.
Which one is it? This one?
This is the hotline.
So the hotline is 949-339-7841. Okay, perfect. Now they can also probably find information on the Laguna Woods website as well under Clown.
Yes, and let's give them
Absolutely.
again Okie Dokie's number.
And then
She's
Okie
the
Dokie's number
instructor, the
is
dean.
949-466-4228. Well, perfect,
and come
ladies.
join us. You will always be happy you made that decision. I promise. you.
Absolutely.
All right. Well,
yes.
you ladies are adorable. Thank you for being on. We appreciate it.
Thank you for
Thank you.
having us.
Thank you so much.
And remember that the Clown School starts very soon. That's January 29th and ends April 16th, and that's every Tuesday. Go clowning around. We'll be right back after this. Can I, let me see how cute.
The flutter?
This one, yeah. I can just